According to a whole heap of anecdotal evidence on Twitter/X, Claude 3.5 Sonnet is outperforming GPT-4o by OpenAI. And there are some already amazing demos coming out. Here are just a few tweets where we've got these amazing visualizations using a new feature called artifacts. And there's some tremendously exciting projects being developed with Claude 3.5 Sonnet, and it was announced only a few days ago, and we can already go ahead and see that there's just some interesting naming principles going on. For example, Claude's Anthropic, who create Claude, have clearly decided on haiku, sonnet, opus, pieces of literature developing in complexity. But right now they are claiming that Sonnet, Claude 3.5 Sonnet, is outperforming Claude 3 Opus. But they do promise that 3.5 is coming to both Opus and haiku. But what this means in terms of you're building a no-code app using AI is that Claude 3.5 Sonnet, if the hype is to be believed, is a middle-of-the-road AI model in terms of pricing, but is exceeding the top models in OpenAI's GPT-4o and Anthropic Claude 3 Opus. So you should, and you can, effectively, by going into the API documentation, going on to developer docs, and going to models, you'll find that here we go, Claude 3.5 Sonnet. Just by copying this model name into your existing Anthropic API connection, if you're using Bubble, we've got videos showing you how to do that. You just copy and paste this in. And in fact, if you were using Claude 3 Opus, you'd already notice a cutting in costs. And hopefully, again, if the hype is to be believed, you'd actually notice an improvement in the performance of the AI, but you'd also notice that cut in cost. So what projects are you building? Are you deciding to stick with OpenAI GPT models, or have you decided to venture over to Anthropic and using the latest Claude 3.5 Sonnet models? Tell us what you're building. Leave a comment down below.